To create a new email list in your AWeber account, you'll need to have a paid plan, as the free version does not allow for multiple lists. Having separate lists can be useful if you're running an online business with different customer bases or goals. For example, if you have a list of people who like Chinese food, you may want to create a separate list for those who like Mexican food. To start, you'll need to be logged into your AWeber account and on the home screen. From there, you can click on the List bar, which will open a menu where you can select Create New List. AWeber will then ask you to provide some basic information, including your company name and website, which is optional. You'll also need to enter an address that will be displayed at the bottom of your emails, which is a required field. After filling out this information, you can click the Next button and proceed to the next step, where you'll need to enter a name for your new list, as well as a description. You'll also want to specify who the emails will be from, using a name that your subscribers will recognize. The next step involves choosing the language for your list and setting up the subject line for the double opt-in confirmation email. You can also edit the opt-in message that subscribers will receive. Once you've completed these steps, you can click Create List to finalize the process. After a brief moment, you'll be taken back to your AWeber dashboard, where you'll see that your new list has been added. You can verify this by clicking on the List tab, which will display all of your existing lists, including the new one you just created. This process is relatively straightforward, and having multiple lists can help you to better organize your email marketing efforts and tailor your content to specific groups of subscribers.